This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush Football Vault. One box break, eBay break, September 29th, 2020. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Gutstone 25 with the Falcons, Patriots, Texans, and Giants. Pit P Red, Eagles, and Steelers. Love to Buy Cards 99 with the Redskins. DeBrut 94 with the Bears, Lions, Rams, Buccaneers, Cardinals, and Panthers. FA underscore 714401 with the Titans. Courtney South with the Seahawks. Green underscore 28932 WM with the 49ers. Hard Rock MMA 7777 with the Jaguars and Chargers. Chris Raleigh with the Raiders. No Hops 23 with the Jets. The Big Collector 101 with the Saints. Hunter Lion underscore 28 with the Vikings. Zazulk 0 with the Dolphins. India underscore 9839 with the Chiefs. Mark Sony 8QVX, hopefully I said that right. Colts. Kurt underscore LOWR with the Packers. CKT227 with the Broncos. Pit P Red with the Cowboys. India underscore 9839 with the Browns. FA underscore 714401 with the Bengals. 2010 BER 45 with the Bills. India underscore 9839 with the Ravens. And that is your full lineup. And we've got your box here. 2020 Gold Rush Football Vault. Series 2 got 3 high-end hits per box. Let's go ahead and get the plastic off first. And let's crack the seal. There we go. Alright. 3 hits here. 1, 2, and the third. And an empty box. Alright. 3 high-end hits. Your first hit coming your way. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. First hit. Ooh, what do we got here? We've got a 2017 Panini Encased Scripted Signatures Mike Williams for the Chargers. 9.5 Gem Mint 17 out of 49. Scripted Signatures Mike Williams. Go Chargers, National Champion. At DeReal Mike Dub, it looks like. A lot of inscription there. 17 out of 49. Very nice hit for the Chargers. Nice Mike Williams. 9.5 Gem Mint 210 on the auto grade. So the Chargers on the board first. Beautiful Mike Williams. That's a nice card. Hard Rock MMA 7777. Congrats. Very nice. Mike Williams for the Chargers. Alright, hit number 2. We've got a 2018 Panini National Convention Gold VIP Saquon Barkley 9.5 Gem Mint Rookie. So the Giants. Very nice Barkley rookie. 9.5 Gem Mint. 2018 National Convention Gold VIP Barkley rookie. 9.5 Gem Mint. Giants. Guston 25. Congrats. Beautiful Saquon Barkley. 9.5 Gem Mint Rookie. Very nice. And we got one more hit left. Hit number 3. Ooh, wow. 2016 Panini Phoenix Orange Dak Prescott Rookie Jersey Autograph BGS 9 Mint. Wow, is that a sweet card. How about that for the Cowboys? That is a beautiful Dak rookie autograph patch. 995-985. 2-color patch. Rookie autograph. And that is 36 out of 99. Sweet Dak. Boy, is that really nice. 2-color patch rookie autograph out of Panini Phoenix Orange. 9 Mint BGS. What a sweet card. Cowboys. Cowboys owned by Pit P Red. Congrats. Beautiful Dak Prescott. Wow. What a hit there. Beauty. So we had the Dak Two-color patch rookie autograph out of Panini Phoenix Orange out of 99. BGS 9 mint. What a beautiful card. 36 out of 99 on that. We got your Saquon Barkley, 2018 National Convention Gold VIP, 9.5 gem mint Saquon Barkley rookie. Giants. Very nice Saquon. Nice hit there. And we started out with a 2017 Panini Encased Scripted Signatures Mike Williams, 9.5 gem mint, 17 out of 49. Sweet card there. Really nice Mike Williams for the Chargers. 3 beautiful hits, guys. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. CardboardHobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Back at it Thursday night and all weekend, too. So a lot of breaks coming up, guys. I'll stick around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Please be smart, be safe out there.